Welcome, this is Martin Augerman. Welcome to video number 2 out of the 2 How to Make Your First $1,000 as an Affiliate Creator in 2025 course. Today we're going to speak about the second part of becoming an affiliate creator, right? We've spoken a lot about marketing last time, and right now there's two things that can happen. Either you've posted a lot of videos now, and some of them are starting to perform, means you get comments and you get views, or nothing's happened. If nothing has happened, you can still watch this video. However, the first and most important thing is marketing. So you need to start, of course, creating good videos. If you don't know how to do that, if you feel there is a lot of potential but something's missing, check out Affiliate Pro in the description. But today's video number 2, how to reach your first $1,000 as an affiliate creator in 2025. So I have right now here still my piece of paper that I've created. However, I'm not going to have a second camera because this video today is not going to be extremely long, right? So today's video is not going to be extremely long. It's going to be 3 steps now, mainly 3 steps. Mainly 3 steps that I'm going to write down. Step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. And then we are good to go. So step number 1, if the scenario comes into play that you now get some views, right? So you get, let's say, between 500 to 1,000 views a video. Maybe you already have a video with 2, 3, or 4,000 views because you recreated correctly. Now it's time to actually pick your product and start selling it. One fundamental, on Instagram specifically, there is a strategy that you can use in order to get a lot of sales, and you need a software for this. And the software that you need is called ManyChat. There's also other softwares like LinkRaise, ChatRaise, Get My Link, stuff like that. ManyChat is the most popular one. Let me write this down. ManyChat is a software with which you can automate your DMs and your full selling process. You've probably heard people say, comment the word blah 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 under this video and I will send you a full guide on how to get started. Now, what these people are using is, of course, they are not messaging every single person that comments under the video. If you get 5,000, 6,000 comments, and by the way, you can get that. I've gotten over 50,000 comments on a single video once. I can't message those people. ManyChat messages those people for us. So every time somebody comments, you can go into the ManyChat software and you can select every time someone comments under this video, please send them this DM, right? And you can even send them a full sequence. So step number 1, go to ManyChat.com, or if you want to use my affiliate link to sign up, I think ManyChat costs like $15 a month. You can, of course, also do that in the description that you go instantly. It costs nothing extra to sign up through an affiliate link. I just get a small commission then. But you know what? Do what you want. You can also go just to ManyChat.com. Both is fine. So go to ManyChat.com essentially and sign up on ManyChat. You need a Facebook account for that and an Instagram account, right? Both of these things. Don't connect them. Both separate, right? Keep them separate. So step number 2, you have ManyChat now. What do? Step number 2 is you need your product, of course. And here, please now get your affiliate link, right? So if you didn't have an affiliate link before in your bio or whatsoever, now you want to get your affiliate link of whatever product you're getting. So step number 2, get your affiliate link. Get affiliate link. Get affiliate link. I'm going to call it get AL. So what you want to do now with that affiliate link is you do not want to paste it in your bio. Don't paste it in your bio. It's gonna kill your follow conversion. Don't do it. What you want to do is you want to create a small sequence inside of ManyChat where you say, yo, hello, thank you very much for the comment. Here's a link to the product, or here's a link that I wanted to send you, or the promised thing. Of course, there's a lot of ManyChat sequences, advanced ManyChat sequences, where you can make sure to increase the conversion of a customer that actually comments and goes to the purchase. There's a lot of things that you can do. However, if I would explain them in this video, the video would be an hour long. If you want me to make a full tutorial on how to create advanced ManyChat sequences so you can actually make a lot of sales and increase the conversion rate of people commenting into people buying your product with the right questions, with the right inputs, with the right buttons inside of ManyChat, and some other strategies, to also get more followers, you can comment under this video if you want a full tutorial on how we use ManyChat in the company, all of our affiliate creators, how I use ManyChat, my business partner uses ManyChat in all sorts of Instagram accounts. Get your affiliate link and make a small ManyChat sequence, right? Small ManyChat sequence. Sequence. I'm going to just SEQ, sequence. So now what happens is you have ManyChat, currently the free version probably. You have your affiliate link, you put the affiliate link into your ManyChat sequence, so every time somebody comments under your video a specific keyword that you selected in ManyChat, you're going to send them the affiliate link. So of course, step number 3 now is you want to post consistently, and on top of that, you want to, in every single video, you want to make sure there's a call to action to comment under the video in order to send them something over, right? That is the fundamental of what you need. If you've copied videos of people that didn't use a call to action, like comment under this video, now is the time to start doing that, because ManyChat needs this comment in order to get started. So what do? If you already get a significant amount of views now, and you want to start making sales, now is the time to add at the end of your video a call to action to comment. Here's a couple ways how you can do this. I'm going to act as if I am filming. And by the way, if you want me to send you everything over that I've explained about in this video, make sure to comment blah 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 under this video and I'll send everything into your DMs. Or, and by the way, I have the full product, I found the full product on Amazon. I can send you the link right now if you comment blah 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 under this video. Right? You want to add a call to action at the end of the video or in the middle of the video where you can get people to comment and you can ManyChat sends this stuff over, right? So we call this in the company, we call this a comment, a comment call to action. CTA, call to action. And that is essentially everything. If we check this out right here, we have ManyChat, get an affiliate link and make a small MC sequence, which is a ManyChat sequence, and make your comment call to action in every single video. Now, I know, this is, oops. Now I know, now I know that, of course, this is pretty simple, but you have to get there first, right? It's not super easy to do all of this, but the first fundamental that you need is marketing. We've spoken about that. You need views. And then the second thing that you need is sales. And the whole thing that we just spoke about is the sales part, right? First do the marketing, not the other way around. Don't do the sales first and then the marketing. Don't get a product first, paste it into your ManyChat, pay for ManyChat as well. Don't do that. First test the marketing, then add a product. With ManyChat, a small sequence, and comment call to actions every videos. If you want to know exactly how those videos look like, make sure to check out Affiliate Pro. If you want me to give you products to sell, if you want to become part of our Affiliate Creator Network and actually make a full-time income becoming an affiliate creator, check out Affiliate Pro in the description under this video. There you're going to see a lot of examples on how these videos look like with comment call to actions and everything. My job on this YouTube channel, which is fairly new that I'm starting to post here again. My job right now is to just give as much value as possible to get into the rhythm and show everything step by step. Maybe the videos in the future are going to be even more step by step, probably likely even more into detail. So I'm going to show examples there. But right now, if you want to see some examples, either watch my newest YouTube videos. If you don't find anything there, check out Affiliate Pro regardless for a lot of examples on how this type of content looks like. So now it's time to make sales. Now it's time to become a full-time affiliate creator. And if you see your first successes with this, please write a comment under, whoops, that was disgusting. Please write a comment under the videos here. You know, write a comment, yo, you've achieved this, you've achieved that, got my first 1,000 views, got my first sale. That is always a milestone, right? Getting your first sale is amazing. And if you want me to make more tutorials on ManyChat sequences or more guides on ManyChat sequences, if you want me to show you a bit more on how you can make more sales, how to find better affiliate products, how to find better products in general, or how to get more views, more strategies on how to get views or conversions or follow conversions, absolutely comment this as well. So request it, and I'm going to do more videos on that as well. Bye-bye.